Imagine strapping a device onto your face that doesn't just overlay pixels onto your room, but fundamentally hijacks your visual cortex, completely detaching your mind from physical constraints and rebuilding reality from scratch. For years, spatial computing and virtual reality were looked at as expensive, isolating novelties. We marveled at the early concepts, but we silently accepted the heavy front-heavy headsets, the pixelated displays that caused immediate eye strain, the laggy hand tracking that broke your immersion, and the mandatory requirement of being tethered to a massive PC by an ugly web of cables. We told ourselves that true, indistinguishable spatial immersion was a distant dream, locked away decades in the future. But right now, inside the most fiercely guarded development wings of Apple Park, that dream has not just been realized. It has been evolved into a terrifyingly powerful spatial weapon. This is the dawn of the Apple Vision Pro 2. This is not a safe, incremental product update. This is a total ground-up neurological and architectural revolution that dissolves the barrier between human consciousness and digital execution, altering how we work, play, communicate, and perceive human existence forever. To truly comprehend the sheer scale of the engineering miracle Apple has pulled off, you have to look past the beautiful curved singular block of three-dimensional woven glass and dive into the hyper-advanced custom dual silicon matrix driving this system. At the absolute core of the Vision Pro 2 sits a custom-engineered pairing of a next-generation M-series desktop processor and a radically overhauled R-series spatial coprocessor. This isn't just a mobile chip tweaked to handle a headset. This is an uncompromised supercomputing engine designed to eradicate latency entirely. The R-series chip processes data from a dizzying array of high-speed cameras, microscopic eye-tracking sensors, and a highly advanced LiDAR spatial mapping array at an astronomical rate of millions of calculations per second. It streams images to the displays in a mere fraction of a millisecond, a speed that is literally faster than the blink of a human eye. What does that mean for you? It means the digital objects placed in your room don't just float. They lock onto physical reality with such flawless structural stability that your brain completely accepts them as physical, solid objects. Latency, the ultimate killer of immersion and the root cause of motion sickness, has been entirely eradicated. But all of this immense processing power is completely useless if the visual canvas fails to match the resolving power of the human eye. And this is where Apple has executed its greatest optical triumph. The Vision Pro 2 features dual, custom ultra-high-density tandem micro-OLED displays that pack an ungodly number of pixels into a space smaller than a postage stamp. We are talking about an aggregate resolution that leaves 40K televisions in the dust, pushing past the threshold of what the human retina can physically differentiate. By layering two independent micro-OLED matrices together, these displays achieve a blinding peak brightness and a true, infinite contrast ratio. The blacks are genuinely pitch black, entirely free of the washed-out gray blooming that plagued earlier headsets. When you look at a virtual text document, the edges of the characters are as sharp and crisp as ink on paper. When you scale a virtual cinema screen up to 100 feet wide in your living room, the colors explode with an intensity and visual depth that makes multi-million-dollar commercial movie theaters look ancient and primitive. It tricks your biological optical